Do not say the governor arrived at about 4 p.m. It is wrong to say this type of car is still in the market. It is incorrect to say I came with the bus. It is un-English to say I answered all the questions of Ed. Are you curious to know what the correct version should be? Follow me closely in this video. Hello Nigerians, I am Tutu Adewale and all I do on this platform is to help you better your conversation in English. In this interesting video, I'll be unveiling to you some common errors in the use of prepositions, and I really hope you'll find this tutorial helpful. But before we dive into the class, if you are coming across my video for the first time, I want to congratulate you because you are just in the right place to learn how to speak the English language correctly. All you just have to do now is to watch this video patiently. Take note of whatever you learn from here and start using them in your day-to-day expressions of English. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to enjoy more of this educative video from my channel. I mentioned it earlier that it is wrong to say the governor arrived at about 4 p.m. Brother James. It is not a correct expression in English, and this is why. The two prepositions used together in this sentence function differently. What I mean is that the preposition at indicates a definite time, while about indicates proximity or mere approximates. In other words, when the time is specific, at is the best preposition to use. But if the time is not specific, about can be used. It is, however, illogical to use both at and about concurrently in one sentence. What you should say in correct sentence is the governor arrived at 4 p.m. if the time is definite. Or you say the governor arrived about 4 p.m. if the time is not definite, like in an approximate time. Do you understand? Brilliant. Here is another one. It is incorrect to say this type of car is still in the market, or something like this type of book is still in the market. Sister Caro, stop saying it. This is simply because the expression used in English to show that something is available for sale to the public is on the market, not in the market. Although a person can be in the market for something if he or she is interested in buying something. You can be in the market to buy something. Yet, an item is on the market for people to buy. So the item is on the market, you are in the market to buy it. So the acceptable construction is this type of car is still on the market. Or you say this type of book is on the market. Do you understand? Great. This next sentence is quite interesting. It is un-English to say I came with the bus. It is un-English to say I came with the bus. This error is heard pretty often in our everyday use of English. We should try to avoid it. The correct expression should be I came by bus. I came by bus. It is unfortunate that people, even some educated ones, are often confused about the preposition to use in connection with travel. I'll try to do justice to this in my next video. But please take note of this particular one, as it is very common. Stop saying I know my phone number off Ed. Off Ed is un-English. What you should use in correct English expression is I know my phone number offhand. I know my phone number offhand. What this means is that you can spell out your phone number without looking for a hint somewhere and without thinking carefully. This also applies to any information you can give without any preparation or thought in advance. So, learn the correct expression and try as much as possible to correct as many people that say it around you. Let me add this to it. Instead of saying we now live in the campus, rather say we live on campus. Or you say we live on the campus. Note, campus is the same as the grounds and buildings of a university or college, and it is usually preceded by the preposition on, not in. Meanwhile, it is tautological to say school campus, as the word campus is only related to school. Please avoid using it. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, like this video and share with others. I'll see you in another video.